Alright, it's dark. Let me get some light on. See if I can make this video real quick. And really, this video is probably only gonna like maybe legit help one person because my boy is gonna buy it. But oh jeez, it is freaking raining, so I can't go out on and look at the car right now. But look at it. That thing, it's a little hard. I love it. So, man, right now would be a perfect time to use my little tripod for my DJI thing. But if you are gonna look at to get a two-door Tahoe and you don't really know, like, kind of give you the ins and outs of when they made them, the motors you're gonna get, what freaking options you may have or to look at, they're all gonna be the same. So for starters, these were made from 93 to 99, and that's it. They mainly came in four-wheel drive, which this one is, and this one's happened to be a Z71. So when you get a Z71, you get a little bit of different, you can see different trim, outfittings and stuff, and you get like some stuff like that, but off-road package, whatever. Nothing too crazy. Excuse me for burping because I just had a bunch of watermelon right now. Hell yeah. So they were made from 93 to 99. They were offered in a few different colors, you know, what have you. They did not come with sunroofs. None of these came factory with a sunroof, which I think I may want to put in, maybe. These were also in two-door Tahoes, two-door Blazers, and two-door Yukons. They're all the same. All the same. The GMC Yukon has a little bit of different front grille action there, and the Tahoe and Blazer are the same thing. The only differences you're going to have really with the rear are going to be the doors are going to open sideways, or they're going to open front, like top to bottom, and that's what this one does. Now, the two biggest things that you're going to run into are the two different motors you're going to get. If you get a 93 to 95, you are going to end up getting a 350 TBI motor. Throttle body injection 350, kind of basic, nothing really crazy going on there. If you get a 96 and after, you get the updated, a little bit higher performing, a little better 350 Vortec. That one runs a little better. The only thing that sucks about 350 Vortec, like this one does, spider injection. So you got to do one injector, you got to do the whole assembly. And that kind of sucks. So there's that. The crazy thing about all of these, they all use the 4L60E. And apparently, I'm learning more and more every day, you can't beat this Chevy stuff, is that the 4L60E was used from like 91 all the way up to like 2008. So yeah, you can find those things everywhere. Oh, and also, if you want a two-wheel drive one, from everything I know, I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, someone in the comments, but whatever. If you're going to want a two-wheel drive, they are only made from 96 to 99. So, being that this two-door body style was only made for 6 years, the rear-wheel drive one was only made for 3. I haven't seen one up for sale yet. Those ones are really rare. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and if you get one that's 94 and 93, you're going to get the old style instrument cluster. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, one thing I will tell you. These, you can be like, yeah, fender flares, cool. It doesn't really look like it's going to be too expensive. Yeah, to get all four, it's going to be about $400 to get those. So everything's cheap except that stuff. So that'll come later on. But overall, like I said, I really like it. And apparently it's a thing where if you have a Tahoe, you put a GMC grill in the front. But if you have a GMC grill, you put a Tahoe grill on it. I don't know. But this is staying the way it is. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell if you're going to look to go buy one. I mean, other than, going over the basics and buying a typical used car, there's nothing else that I can kind of crazy go over with it other than making sure the body's straight and, make sure you're not going to get screwed on a deal of buying a car, because this is you're going to use it as your freaking daily. So There's nothing I can go into that. But that's it. You get two different motor options, two different instrument cluster options. Let me show you this instrument cluster. Oh, and if you get it after 96, oh, don't mind the loud noises. Like I said, this is going to be the newer dash. The older one, I can put a picture of it. It just looks super freaking crazy 80s. Now this one does have the electronic switch between the 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive. If you get a 95 and older, the column is actually going to be down here, where you're going to have two high, neutral for the transfer case, and then 4 high and 4 low, whatever. So yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna go back inside and eat some more watermelon. But that's it in a nutshell. I'll see y'all later. Oh shit, I can't get out. Oh shit, I really can't get out. Okay, I'll figure this out.